Hello everyone, today I will show you how to find Safari preferences and settings on iPhone. And here's how it is done. First, open the settings app on your iPhone. From there, you can manage everything related to Safari by scrolling or typing Safari. Tap on it and you will see a variety of options. At the top, there is Siri and Search. You can enable or disable Siri and search functionality within Safari here. You can also select your default search engine from Google, Yahoo, Bing, DuckDuckGo, and more. Additionally, you can manage features like private browsing, search engine suggestions, and Safari suggestions, as well as preload frequently visited sites. You can configure your autofill settings, choosing whether to autofill credit card information or personal details. If you need to change the name or address used for autofill, you can do that here too. You can also manage your favorites and block pop-ups. Under extensions, I have the QR reader installed, but you can add others as needed. The download section lets you select where specific files downloaded through Safari will be saved. You can also choose whether the tab bar appears at the top or bottom of the screen and adjust settings for opening and closing tabs. If you have different profiles, like my YouTube profile, you can customize the browsing experience for specific tasks. There are also privacy and security settings to help you prevent cross-site tracking, require Face ID for private browsing, and warn you about fraudulent websites. Finally, you can clear your browsing history, cache, and downloads. There are advanced options available to help you tailor your Safari experience exactly as you want it. And that is everything you need to know about how to find Safari preferences and settings on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.